Roadside history. Hope you guys had a great Christmas and a wonderful Happy New Year. Hope you provided in the correct way, in my way, or just not the wrong way. Hope no one went to jail or anything. If you did, hey, at least you had a hell of a good time before you got there. So I had been very many adventures, settling in. There's a lot of snow out there this year where I live. So I'm trying to find something that can deal with some of the environments and stuff. So, hope you guys enjoy. Sawmill Inn, one of the local establishments here in this town that I'm in, right in front of the Cedars Lounge. Luckily it's after hours, so no one's going to be in, so we won't be disturbed, or I won't be disturbing anybody else that's actually trying to dine. There have just been stories that I've just been informed of that there might be a ghost or two. I'm not really sure, to be honest. I do believe in ghosts, but not everybody does. So maybe I might catch something, maybe I might not, or maybe you might catch something, and maybe not. Let's give this place a good look over, shall we? Not too bad. It's kind of cozy. And this is not a ghost hunting expedition. But if it turns out that way, hey, who's to complain? It's a nice environment, a lot of local history posted up around the whole place. And the way the hotel is set up is kind of cool and easy to navigate. We got the front hallway. That's back towards the lobby and the Cedar dining area. And a beautiful pool area. Nice and quiet now. Sorry it's a bit dark in here, and this device doesn't have night vision, but nice little two-story in here, poolside available. And the pool does go about 9 feet deep. And there's a hot tub over on that end. And there's a sauna, kind of tucked back into this corner. And it's complete with a shower too. You get that good chlorine smell off before you go back to your room. Get a shot in there. It's cozy, but very efficient. And there's a bathroom right next to it, just in case. Believe me, you'll need it. One set of vending machines too, which is right as you first walk into the pool area from the lobby. Nice crane machine. Pretty easy to win. What I'm not going to show you is the employees only spot. Next level, back behind the doors that are in the lobby. Got a couple of good old fun rooms you can rent out. Second level of the sawmill, which is called Saw Hall 1, or Saw Main. Oh, Saw Hall, I was right. Sorry. Restrooms. It's not a bad area down here. There have been reports, though, of this lower area hearing funny noises if you're down here long enough at a certain time in the morning. But that's if you believe in that stuff. See if there's a door we can... No, can't get in that door. Just kidding. It's really dark down here and kind of creepy. And that would give you the vibe that there's someone else down here with you. But that's just what legends are made of at the legendary Sawmill Inn. Keep going this way if it'll let us. Sorry about that. Once you go all the way through, easy access to the outdoors. We're down here in the Sawmill Hall. And attached to the front lobby is a game room. Pretty cool stuff. Another couple crane machines. I'll tell you right now, this game kicks my butt. But it's got train stuff, and it's called Whistle Stop. I love it. I'd love to have it in my train room. But when you're a train connoisseur, anything train sounds fun. Don't mind. Or if you wish to take a nice relaxing sit in front of a cozy fire. Beautiful.